Good morning. I'm kind of tired. If I would have known something about how to upload videos longer than 15 minutes last night, like you have to give your phone number and then they send a verification code to, like, I guess approve you to upload a video that long. It would have been uploaded so much earlier and I would have been able to go to sleep earlier. But like I started it at 8:30 and by 10 it still was uploaded at 0%, and I was like, oh, if I exit out of this and try again, then I'm gonna lose my progress. But if I exit out, maybe I'll find the issue. So I exited out and I noticed that it would have never uploaded if I wouldn't have done the verification code. So once I did that, it uploaded in like an hour and a half. And so then once it finally uploaded and everything was set, I closed my eyes and Emily woke up. And usually she doesn't wake up at midnight to eat, but she did last night, of course. And then our alarm was set for 6 a.m. to bring Jeremy to work, which sucks. I hate early mornings, but it's gotta be done because we only have one vehicle right now, and whatever. So it was set for 6 a.m. and Emily wakes up at 5 to eat. So we only got to, I only got to lay back down for about 30 minutes and I couldn't fall asleep. So I've been up since 5. I had 1 cup of coffee, so that helps. And Emily, hi baby. She says, I wake mommy up to eat. Are you looking at your hands? Hi. That's your hand, yes. You are so adorable. What you doing? Can you play music? Hi. You're cheesing it. And poor Emily, I had to wake her up to go drop Daddy off. Whew. So, anyway, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do today. Every day is a little bit different, but for right now, I'm just gonna chill for a little bit, and if she shows that she's tired, I'm probably gonna put her down for like a super early nap type of thing. So Emily did go down about 45 minutes ago. She was pretty cranky, probably because I had to wake her up to go drop Daddy off at work. But she's peacefully sleeping now, and while she was sleeping, I actually filmed my first video for my main channel, which is going to be, or what it is a breastfeeding like survival kit idea for people who are pregnant or just had their babies or whatever, people who want to breastfeed or are breastfeeding. Things that I found and other people I know found to be super helpful, and things that they could not live without in the beginning of breastfeeding. Kind of random for a first video, but I figured I would just dive right into it. Hopefully that turns out good. I'll leave the link in the description if I've finished it in time. I'll probably need to start picking an upload day. I want to upload 1 video a week on that channel, so maybe it's gonna be Saturdays. I don't know. I did eat some of an omelet that I made, but I got kind of full. So I made it with 3 eggs, a little bit of milk, salt and pepper, some spinach, some like cubed ham, and some mozzarella cheese. And it actually turned out pretty good. I made them last night for dinner too, so I figured I'd just make it again. And I'm also drinking some water. It's a really nice day outside. Maybe I'll bring Em out since it's Saturday and like go, I don't know, go to the consignment shop, go do something. I'm not sure. We will see. So it's almost 8 o'clock now. I probably will need to get my workout in when she wakes up at some point. But for now, I'm gonna upload my footage. Well, I just filmed and edited my breastfeeding survival kit video for my main channel, and right now it is rendering, and I will probably upload that today and probably just make my main channel upload day Saturdays. It might change if I find that it doesn't really work out for me that way. But Emily is playing with these side pieces. I can't seem to keep her from them, and I guess it's not really harming her, so I'm just gonna let her. I used to not like let her play with those, but she really likes it. So I'm just gonna let you. I'm gonna pick my battles. I'm gonna pick my battles. Yes, ma'am. I love these bows on her. This one I got on clearance at Jamboree at the mall. And I think it was over in like Alabama or something. I forget. But this is my favorite bow on you. Isn't it? Mommy puts that bow on you a lot, huh? So it is 9:30 and I'm probably going to put on my workout clothes and do my workout. Today is Dirty 30. It is tomorrow is the last day of my 5th week that I've worked out. Okay, so I'm gonna make myself a smoothie because I don't want to have to eat a huge lunch, and I'm probably gonna go over and see Jeremy for lunch. So Emily's super scared of the blender, so I'm gonna try to comfort her while I make it, but hopefully you can see me. Basically what I usually do is I put frozen banana, which I've froze before. I wonder if this could break in half. Probably not. I wanted to break that up a little bit more, but it'll blend. Then I put like a few strawberries, not very many. And then I have some baby spinach that I need to use up, and you can't even taste it when it's in there, so I just throw some of that in too. And then I put in some almond milk. I don't even think I've opened this yet, no. And the last thing I put in is some protein powder, the vanilla flavor. I don't even put in a whole scoop because it's like, I don't like protein powder that much. Okay. Then let's pray to God that Emily doesn't freak out. Ready? Let's plug your ears. Good girl. That's so scary, isn't it? So okay, so I'm gonna have a piece of Dove chocolate. We're gonna find out actually I'm gonna have two. We're gonna find out my fortune and Emily's fortune. Well, I wouldn't call it fortune, but. Okay, this one's gonna be Emily's. Emily's fortune says, show up without reservation. Oh, you showed up all right, but I made a reservation. Mine says, give someone a compliment. Oh, Emily, you are the most beautiful girl I ever saw in my whole life. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey guys, Emily wanted to say hi. Can you say hi? Hey, can you say hi? Oh, yeah. Say hi. Oh my goodness, that's a good girl. We're gonna go see Daddy. 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 Whew.
Good job. 1, 2, 3. Whew. Whew. Understand? So usually it's the opposite, Emily.
Are you a vlogger, baby? Are you a vlogger, baby? Oh my goodness. Are you a vlogger, baby? Vlogger, baby! Vlogger, baby! Oh. 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 I am so tired today. I guess just like getting up at 5 a.m. is just like wearing on me already. I have salmon thawing and like defrosting in the microwave, and I'm gonna bake it probably with asparagus and eat dinner, and I'll give Emily a bath and put her to bed and everything. So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do the rest of the night. Finish editing, upload the vlog, upload this main channel video. Hi. Do you have anything to say, Em? Em. Say good night. Good night. See you later, alligators.
After a while, crocodiles.